Absolutely insane. Hello, sir. What have we got cooking in here? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name is Ardil, and today's video is a little bit of a vlog for you guys. We're going to be going through exactly what we've got in at the moment and giving you guys a bit more of a tour. Let's go. So first things first, we've got our sanitize as we go in, and this, welcome to our showroom. So inside here, we've got a vast array of different products available for you guys at home when you come in to touch and feel. You can go through all sorts of different products, everything from the highest spec to the lowest as well. So these are the Audison Thesis tweeters, customized in a bronze color. We'll show you a bit later on in today's video. We're doing a Jaguar F-Type, and we've actually customized them, the same Audison Thesis tweeter, to the interior burgundy color of the vehicle. It looks absolutely phenomenal. But this is a really, really nice array of different products, everything from security upgrades for all our audio systems as well. One product I do really, really want to show you guys is this right here. So this is a £10,000 two-channel amplifier. So those tweeters I just showed you, this would run basically a set of them in the front of the vehicle, and this values in at £10,000. An incredible piece of equipment, piece of art really, and just honestly phenomenal. It's called the Audison Thesis Venti, and that is in the description below if you want to go check out a bit more about that product. But other than that, we've also got our wall of fame here as well. So we've had some phenomenal people work on their cars over the years. So we've got everyone from Shmi 150, we did his SLS Black Series with a full custom sound system, and he also had those Audison Thesis tweeters as well. Then we've done Wilfried Zaha's Lamborghini Aventador, again, custom sound system. He had a sub in between the seats and Apple CarPlay retrofit as well. And all these installs are live on our channel as well. So make sure you guys at home have hit that subscribe button, because there's plenty of content coming in the future, but also some awesome content that's already live on our channel. So inside our 11,000 square foot unit, we've got some really lovely projects going on. So we've got Steve working on tuning at the moment. So this Jaguar F-Type has just been in for a system. So it's basically had the Meridian system, which is the upgraded system from stock, been all completely replaced. What Steve's actually doing at the moment, so we'll head over and check out what he's doing on the computer. Hello, Steve.
Hello.
You all right?
Yes, good.
So what Steve's actually doing is basically measuring and analysing all of the audio from inside the vehicle to basically build a better environment for a sound system to work in. So obviously he's done the install in terms of obviously the components going into the car, but now comes down to tuning, which makes a big, big difference. So really happy with this. I'm sure, how good's it sounding?
Sounds all right.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good.
We've just done the first trim with the roof on.
Yeah.
Taking one of the roof off, with
Cool.
a difference, and then a little bit of fine tweaking. And
Cool, perfect. So we'll probably sit in that later and then go from there. So we also have this Porsche Mccann Gts in at the moment. So this came in to us without the stock upgraded system, so it didn't come with Bose. However, it's all about to change. This is having a stock look system upgrade. So we're having a new tweeter up on top of the dash, 3-inch as well as 6.5-inch, as well as the rear speakers done on this. This customer actually saw Shmi 150's SLS Black Series that we did and came over to our YouTube channel, checked us out on YouTube, and then has finally booked in for a system, and that's going to be really, really nice. We're going to be starting on that this afternoon. So now all done with that GTS, just check this out. So this is a team at Audison Electrics. Not only do we do audio, we also carry out a load of bespoke and also a load of commercial work as well. So we've done the deadlock system on this, the Rhino pipe tubes, and also these at the top. But just check this out, guys. So in the back here, this is fully customized. This is all on YouTube as well. The team at Audison Electrics have a massive, massive channel. Well worth checking out, some really cool content. What we've actually got in here is a full bespoke racking system, and on the other side, we've got a floating floor as well, which is quite cool. But you've got really large expanses of storage space in here. Really, really makes a big difference when you're owning a van or a commercial fleet. That obviously the install is done really, really, really nicely. And that's the main thing when we're doing an install. It's all done to the highest possible standards always. And we also customize everything that we do. So this is actually pretty special. This is a World War II Jeep, so check out this. So this is in for some storage with us for the time being, as well as some diagnostic work. And then the Celica, so this is a GT4, so there was only one of 5,000 of these made. Quite a rare car, it's a limited edition spec. We've just upgraded with a full audio system, so it was new speakers in the front, new speakers in the rear, as well as amplification, and actually returned it back to a stock look system. One really nice thing about this that we've just filmed a whole YouTube video on, so you'll be able to see a lot more detail about that, as well as all the other cars that are in here. Most of them do get YouTube videos and they all go live on our channel, so make sure you go check it out. But we have in around about, I think, March last year, expanded into our second unit. So we knocked a hole through this wall, and this takes us into the second unit, where we basically ran out of room in here, needed to expand, wanted more space around the cars, and this is where we are. So again, more commercial work gets going on here. So our whole site is around about 11,000 square foot, and we've got a complete array of cars. So this is our Nissan Navara truck that's actually just been sold. So this is literally just about to leave us, and who knows what we're gonna get next. But behind there, we've also got a Cadillac DeVille, Morgan, brand new Porsche, Z4, Fit 500, you name it, it's all here. We literally carry out work on all sorts of different types of vehicles. One car that I do really want to show everyone is this classic MERC. So this is a 1986 Mercedes, and what we've actually got here is this car has a lot of history, which I'll actually go through and show you later on in the video, because we'll head into the boardroom and I'll go through the actual paperwork that we've got with this. So this car has a lot of history. Basically, this car came into us, came into my family in 1986. So my granddad actually bought this car from Germany while he was actually in Pakistan. When he moved over to the UK, all my mum's siblings, as well as herself, learned to drive in this car, and this was their family car. So it's a brand new, they bought it and imported it from Germany over to UK, and it was in 1986. Basically, the vehicle did a whole host of mileage, and it basically stopped for whatever reason, being driven in around about 2003, is where about the records go up to. But I'm going to show you the paperwork on this. It's absolutely insane. So this vehicle hadn't been driven from around about 2003 all the way up to about, I think we started the restoration process in 2020, yeah, around about 2020. And honestly, it's been absolute overhaul, full bodywork restoration, interior restoration. Still a few bits to do. We've got to look at getting some new wheels for it, but the car went from not driving for that many years to now driving in it. Honestly, I took it home the other day, absolutely love it. It drives very, very nicely, even with it being a 4-speed manual, which is, if you've never driven one, it's probably wouldn't advise it, but yeah, it's an interesting car to drive, but it's still good fun. It has a lot of family history, and I really want to show you later on in today's video the actual paperwork alongside it, because that is the mind-boggling thing about this car. So that's a little bit of history there, because our company is basically a family-run business. So it started off with my granddad, who's always been in engineering. He actually came to the UK from Saudi Arabia as an engineer. Then my dad as well, who has been involved in the business for a long, long time. And now it still is involved, and also my mum's still involved in the business as well. So we're a proper family-run business. My granddad is probably coming in later on today as well. He still does all our accounts and stuff. So proper family-run business, and all our team that's here as well, all are like family to me as well. Honestly, the team are absolutely incredible. We've produced some absolutely amazing work. So let's head into the boardroom and I'll show you that history. So the one good thing about being a hoarder is the amount of paperwork you can actually accumulate over the years. So when the car actually, after the restoration, actually got done on the Mercedes 230e, what I actually found, I asked my mum, I was like, oh, can you just go over to my granddad's house and just check, see if there's any paperwork? I wasn't expecting anything. And what she came back with was this. Chrissy's done an amazing job in organizing it all, which I want to show you guys. So this car is one owner from new, so my granddad owned it from 1986. Recent stuff is all our restoration work that we had done in terms of like the bodywork and things like that. But This is the original document. So this is like the original sale document from, so this is dated 24 September 85. So like one really cool thing about it, so like to have it actually imported over here. So the compulsory for the right-hand drive was basically an air cleaner and height adjustable front seat on the left. So like literally just crazy, but like original documents, and this was all not organized at all like this. And this has now been organized in date order. Chris has done a fantastic job of doing that. But these are actually original documents going throughout the years, all the way from, and you can see how much history there is here. It's absolutely incredible. Everything from little calculations for insurance to some speeding fines. Someone, I think my granddad maybe passed a red light by accident. But yeah, literally everything from insurance documents throughout the year to any mechanical works being done, from tyres. I mean, this is based in Hornchurch where my granddad lives. So this was a phone never stops. Carol? Yeah. So this was, I can't even read the writing on that actually. There's one good thing about it, obviously everything being electronic now, is being able to read the handwriting. But yeah, so literally everything from insurance documents all the way throughout the years. It's literally got everything in here. So a massive amount of service history. I mean, it's got original documents, it's got the original toolkit from the vehicle as well. So like we wanted to keep it original. So that's the original color it came in. So we resprayed it exactly the same color as well. We've not made any cosmetic changes to it. The only thing is obviously make sure it's all clean, tidy, but in terms of the audio system that's gone in it, it's something called a Blaupunkt Bremen. So actually one of these. So from original, this is actually what the car came with. So this is like a retro looking unit that we use a lot in classic cars. So this is basically the same thing that would have come from factory. However, this now has, rather than a cassette player, you've got USB, aux, Bluetooth, digital radio, loads of functionality in a unit. And we've also done a stock look sound system. So sound systems, yes, they can be bespoke. You would have seen plenty of our work. Some of the work that's been playing behind me, like we've got all of the customization work that we can do, rebuilding interiors, bespoke boot builds. However, a lot of it is also keeping to a stock look location, like the Mccann GTS that's in at the moment. That's having a stock look system, whereas Jaguar F-Type is having more elements of customization. So there's a full mix of stuff there. But yeah, this is the history, just absolutely insane. I mean, look, it's all practically, there is a couple of like tires and stuff like that weren't done at Mercedes, but like pretty much everything else is done at Mercedes, from like auto glass, windscreen replacements, literally you name it, it's in here, which is incredible. So yeah, I mean, that's really cool. And that was actually a surprise after we actually did the restoration, that was all in place. So yeah, really happy with that, and I'm sure I'm going to keep the car forever. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you want to see some more awesome content like you have done today, hit that subscribe button, but also let us know in the comments below what you guys want to see in future videos. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We'll see you all very soon. I beg anyone, come by, and this is a little test for you guys. If you want to test this car, come by, have a listen to it, book an audio consultation. You can sit in the car, play whatever song you want. You will not hear a rattle from the inside of the car. It is so acoustically soundproofed in this car, it's absolutely incredible. There's about, I think around about 130 sheets of skins 3mm layer went into this car. So literally it is completely deadened.